Agap-apa kami kinilakay ko.
He's counting na. Which is I'm making his lunch, making his food.
Not every day. Who makes breakfast on the weekends?
Who makes
Who
ano?
bakes cookies
Who
and makes you
cook,
things?
who cook every day for dinner?
You should be thankful you have a loving, caring, respectful husband.
Are you fighting on me?
No. We're just comparing.
Comparing our chores as a husband and wife? You're counting. You
There's
know
the
what?
coffee. Keep it up. That's right.
I love you.
No, you don't. You love me.
Oh, that's not a nice response.
I love you too.
Oh, good. Are we okay now?
Yeah, we're always okay.
Okay. Oh, cheers.
Oh, cheers. I love you.
I love you too. No sugar?
You need to respect me like the one commenter said.
What is that?
Seriously.
Seriously?
So,
Are you kidding me? You're serious now?
yeah.
I'm kidding and I don't care.